Well, Laurel, the snow may have melted from the roads, but of course the cleanup continues. I'm on Northwest Cornell Road where a tree fell on some power lines, obviously knocking out the power there. But then it also halted work on the tunnel that's a little ways behind me. And this is just one of several spots throughout the area that is still dealing with the after effects of that severe winter weather. April snow showers caused quite the backup Monday morning.
Lots of people stuck and turned sideways.
Drivers tried navigating slick roads. Several ran into closures or impassable stretches in northwest Portland.
I've been stuck on here. Now it's going on an hour and 20 minutes, just to try to get to where I'm at right now.
In my head, I'm always like, there's always something that happens on Mondays, but I didn't expect this to be that crazy or chaotic.
Jesus Montes Gonzalez left Hillsborough for northeast Portland, sure to get on the road 15 minutes early.
Maybe I underestimated what I was doing, but I think everybody else didn't know what that was happening.
He spent 6 hours stuck on the road, half the time on Highway 26. Downed trees near the Oregon Zoo blocked all lanes of the freeway, closing it in both directions for nearly 7 hours. Jesus said he was rerouted to Skyline Boulevard, where he and dozens of other drivers were blocked by fallen trees and got stuck in the snow.
Kind of scary, and it was a little bit unusual, especially almost mid-April, and you get to see this, so nobody was prepared. I wasn't prepared with change or anything.
Though much of the snow melted by Monday afternoon, problems persist.
More than 400 trees destroyed or partially fallen, affecting city streets across the city.
PBOT spokesperson Dylan Rivera explains certain streets, parts of Burnside, Skyline, and Germantown, for example, could remain closed for several days.
PBOT can't get in and clear the road of debris until the foresters have been able to clear the trees. The foresters can't get in to take out those large trees until it's safe for them to operate because of the power lines being down.
PBOT crews also keeping an eye out for roads refreezing and the possibility of black ice. Now, Rivera tells me that there were about 20 city roads that were closed today at the height of all of this, and PBOT, of course, trying to get all of those open as soon as they possibly can. They said that they're going to have a better timeline on that reopening within the next 24 hours or so. Meantime, Rivera recommends you go on ODOT's Trip Check website before your drive, or even check out PBOT's road closure map.